What's up, guys? I'm back here with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own channel and post videos. So this is going to be, so first off, you're going to have to go to the icon on your top right corner and just click it. And then go and you press your channel right here. And after you do that, you can see I already made my channel and everything. That's how I'm making this video. And so you can go down, you can see all your videos and everything, but you probably don't pay attention to the top because you mostly just, you want to watch videos. But if you want to make a YouTube channel, you need videos. So you need to go over here to the camera. You can do this right when you're getting into YouTube. So you press it, and you can record or you can go live. You need like 1K subscribers to go live on mobile, but you can record anytime on mobile. So like you press it, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So leave a like if you liked the video and if it made a big help. And also subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And guys, I'm also going to be starting a how-to series. My sister deleted my other how-to. Do how to be a better YouTuber. But yeah, so yeah, guys, just press subscribe if you like this video, and if you want to see more, press the bell button, and make sure you press it again, and you press it and then you press all to see all my videos because YouTube's a little bit weird. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of my video, and see you guys next time. Bye.